first one, I want to introduce our brand name, Recare pregnancy test. For Recare brand pregnancy test, we have three different types. One is midstream. Midstream is like this one. I show you the model. Like this one. This is midstream. Midstream. Another one is cassette. Another one is cassette. Cassette outside aluminum foil bag is like this. This is the second type cassette. The third one is strip. Strip is like this. Can you see clear? One strip. Our brand strip is 2.5 mm. 2.5 mm. For the design, we have two kind of design. One design is a purple color, like this. Another one design is blue color, like this. Now I would like to introduce how to use different type of pregnancy test. This one is midstream. Midstream. Outside we have two kind of package. The first package is one piece in one box. Another one is buckle. Buckle is packing like this only. Packing like this only. Our package is 100 pieces in one poly bag. When you open this, you can take this out. This is midstream. Take out this cap, and here you can see urine to here. Put the urine to here. This one can use directly. Put the urine to here, and then you can put like this. The urine will come up little by little. We can put about 5 minutes. 5 minutes you can read the results. There will have one line. One line is is a control line. Control line. Every midstream must have one line, control line. If you have been pregnancy, there is another line. The second line will be show out, purple color or pink color. Maybe the second line is not very clear, but if you have the second line, it means you have been pregnancy. We suggest you go to a hospital to do another test by your doctor. This one is a little price is a little higher than cassette and than the strips, but it is very convenient to be used. The price is about 0.28 cents, one piece in one box, like this. If you don't need the box, you like the bulk packing, in this way you can save some freight charges. The price also can be cheaper. The price is about 17 cents, 18 cents, like this one. We can calculate again a good price for you if you give us your quantity and your destination. And now I would like to introduce the cassette for you. Cassette. This is cassette. The cassette. When we use cassette, we need a little cup for the urine. We use this dropper to take some drops of urine and put urine here. Three drops here, and put in this way. About 4 or 5 minutes, you can get the results. One result is one line, only control line appear. It means you don't have pregnancy. If there are 2 lines, it means it's possible to pregnancy. You go to your doctor, see your doctor.